Good morning, children. So let's resume our chapter, The Fun They Had. I hope you might have understood it very well till now. Okay, so let's continue with it. County inspector sets Margie's school right. Once, the geography sector of her mechanical teacher was graded too quickly, so her marks got worse and worse. So, the level of the geography sector was too high. Okay, that's why Margie was not able to do good in geography subject. Her mother calls the county inspector to examine the error in the teacher. When you are ill, we take you to the doctor. In the same way, her mother calls the county inspector to examine the mechanical teacher. The county inspector rebuilds it in an hour. So, the county inspector just repairs it within an hour. Marg is disappointed when the computer teacher was mended. Mended means repaired in some time. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be taken away for a longer time. So, obviously, she was not happy with her school, with her teacher, with her mechanical teacher, especially. So, she thought that when Count Inspector will come, he would just take mechanical teacher for a long time to repair it. But she was very sad. She was very disappointed. Why? Because Count Inspector mended it in some time only. She thought it that way because when the history sector of Tommy's computer had once blanked out completely, the teacher was taken away for a month to get it programmed once again. Why she thought like this? That Count Inspector would just take a long time to repair because once what happened? Tommy's computer, especially in history sector, was just blanked out. Okay. So the teacher was taken away, or the mechanical teacher was taken away for a month. Okay, for the programming and other things. So she thought that yes, the mechanical teacher would be taken away by the county inspector for some more time, for a longer time, and she's going to enjoy. But this didn't happen, so she was very sad. Tommy tells Margie about old schools. Tommy says that the book which he has found is not about their kind of school. It is about schools that existed hundreds of years ago. So Tommy just read that book and he told Margie that the description in that book is not about the schools which they are watching at that time or in the future. Okay, or the school was not existed, means at that time Margie and Tommy, they had the school in house only. But in that book the school was described about the hundred years ago. Means a school means a building. They find out that students back then had a human as a teacher who taught the girls and boys, gave them homework, and asked them questions, and they were surprised that really there used to be a building which is called school. All girls and boys of the same age used to sit together, and human being was just, he used to act as a teacher and he used to just teach them, he used to explain them, give them homework, ask the questions. So they were surprised that how this can be possible. They had a special building where all the children went and they learned the same things if they were of the same age. First, Margie doesn't understand how a person could be a teacher and how the students were taught the same thing because her mother says that education must fit to each that education must fit to each child's mind, but nevertheless, in her opinion, these schools are funny and she wants to read more about it. Okay, so she was not aware that how it can be possible that a single human being, a single teacher, teaches so many children because everyone has different IQ level, everyone has different nature, different grasping power. Okay, and she was very much not confused, but she was strange. It's very strange for her to read, and she wanted to know more about it. Then it is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. Okay, but at the same time, now what happened? They it was their school time, so they have to go to their rooms. Margie goes into the school room in her house, which is just next to her bedroom. So where was her school? Next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher stands waiting for her. It is already on because the lessons are always at regular hours. So it was on. As soon as she reached there, mechanical teacher was on and the lessons were there as usual. Margie thinks about the good old school, but